Yo guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be starting a hardcore series. So I'm going to name this YouTube hardcore series. Wait, I'm going to make it hardcore. I'm not going to set a seed, you can see here. So I'm going to create it. Okay, hopefully that was a time lapse. So I'm going to get some wood first. By the way, this is 1.16.5. Because 1.19 I don't really like that version, so this is gonna be fun. Oh yeah, I'm gonna get some wood. Crafting table. I'm gonna craft myself a wooden pickaxe. Okay, anyway, now that I crafted it, I'm gonna get some stone. Okay, so in this world, I'm gonna plan to build a house in the first few days. I'm gonna make this episode, I don't know how long, maybe like 20 minutes. I hope so. Okay, there's iron right there, for quick iron. Okay, this is a good start. Is that actually one vein? I'm not complaining, I guess. I'm gonna get 9 stone. Oh my god, that's a huge cave. I'm not gonna go in there yet because I don't want to die yet. Remember, this is hardcore, so if I die, the world gets deleted. So I'm gonna make an axe for protection. Okay, and a shovel for dirt. Actually, I'm gonna get some wood right now. Also, I'm sorry for the background noise. Okay, my first food. I'm gonna look for sheep, but if I don't find any, I'm gonna have to get fish. Okay, here's some cows. Oh, I think that's. Oh, I see enough sheep so I can make a bed and skip the night. Okay. By the way, comment down below if you have any recommendations of what I should do in this series. Hopefully I just don't die the first night. Okay, I'm gonna kill that sheep right there. Okay, I'm gonna craft the oak logs into wood. Hopefully if the editing on this is very mediocre. I'm not that good at editing and I'm gonna try to edit this video. Probably gonna take me a few hours. By the way, comment down below if you know any good 1.16.5 texture packs, because I want to try some. Okay. To cook my food, I'm gonna make, I think it's called charcoal in the game. It's basically you smelt oak logs, and it basically turns into coal. Look, I have to get some. Okay, done. Okay, so basically you have to smelt oak logs with wood. So time lapse now. Okay, so now that's done, I'm gonna smelt my food, which I have most of beef. I'm gonna set a waypoint because I'm gonna set it so a waypoint is basically where you know where it is. So basically write down the coords, but you can see it visually. Okay, I'm gonna kill some fish, so time lapse also, I guess. Okay, I only got 2 fish, I couldn't find any more. I'm gonna get some flowers. I'm gonna put at the end of my base. My base is gonna have a lot of it underground, but it's gonna have aesthetics outside mostly. So, okay, here I have some of my food. So now I'm gonna terraform. Time lapse. By the way, this hardcore series is inspired by the Neocubist. Link down below, check him out. Awesome YouTuber. So, I'm gonna make myself a hoe. Okay, now that I have a hoe, I'm gonna plot, cause on the coast, cause that's where I don't have a water bucket yet. So that's where I can do it. Okay, I'm gonna plant seeds here. Just wheat seeds, because those are super good for breeding cows. So that's pretty cool. That's pretty nice. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this part now. I'll probably build my house here. So I'm thinking that I'm gonna build my house up on those cliffs. Maybe they're not that tall, so maybe in some cliff I'm gonna build it. Okay, I'm gonna dig this up. I'm gonna go into that cave. I know it's a dumb decision. I'm gonna make some torches. Okay, I'm going down. I'm gonna turn on full bright for you guys, so you guys can see inside the cave and you guys don't get annoyed. Okay, so nothing really there. Okay, I'm gonna get a lot of wood, so time-lapse time. Okay, it's night. I did not notice that. So I'm done with that time-lapse. Yeah, I'm gonna crop to bed. By the way, guys, I really want to thank you guys for 1,000 views on my latest video. I really appreciate it. I just slept, by the way. So I'm gonna get a bunch of wood, and I'm gonna start building my house. Actually, there's gonna be a time lapse for it, obviously. Actually, I'm gonna destroy the grass for a time lapse. That time lapse. I'm just gonna try and build this average starter house. So time lapse again, I guess. Okay, I just realized it. I realized I need a lot more wood. So, wood time lapse. Okay, I got a fair amount of wood, so I'm just gonna continue building. So more time lapse. 99% of this video is probably gonna be time lapse. Anyway, let's continue. Okay, time to get more wood. More time lapse. Okay, time lapse over. Okay, I'm gonna continue building the house, so another time lapse. Okay, I'm done with the roof. This is a super bad roof. I did that on purpose for it to look like a super bad starter's house. Okay, I'm gonna put some holes into here. There's some scaffolding here. I accidentally put. Now that I think about it, these corners with slabs actually look pretty cool. Except this right here, which I didn't mean to put there. Okay, I'm gonna put slabs in the corners. They look fairly cool. By the way, most of this house is just gonna be underground, but right now I'm just starting the exterior. Okay, so if you're enjoying, I would really appreciate if you subscribe. So I'm gonna add some steps here. And okay, here's my house. So I'm gonna end this video off here. Thank you so much for watching. Have an awesome day and bye.